Number 1. 1961 Buick LeSabre, $2,500, Arlington, Washington. This 1961 Buick LeSabre sedan is listed for $2,500 in Arlington, Washington, and represents an affordable early 1960s full-size American classic. It is powered by an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The car is currently running but described as rough, suggesting it may need mechanical tuning. The vehicle wears brown paint and sits on new tires. The odometer has rolled over and the car is listed with a missing title, which may require additional steps for registration. Despite its fair condition, the LeSabre remains a recognizable Buick classic known for its bold styling and could serve as a restoration project or budget vintage cruiser. Number 2. 1969 Ford F100 pickup, $1,750, Federal Way, Washington. This 1969 Ford F100 long bed pickup is offered for $1,750 in Federal Way, Washington. It is powered by a durable 300 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck shows 48,000 miles on the odometer, although it has rolled over and may actually have about 148,000 miles. The body is described as solid with minimal rust, solid cab mounts, and only surface rust in the bed. Recent work includes an upgraded cooling system and a new battery. With a clean title in hand, this truck runs and drives and could serve as a usable classic driver or restoration project. Number 3. 1988 Jeep Wrangler Laredo, $3,800, Ozark, Missouri. The 1988 Jeep Wrangler Laredo is listed for $3,800 in Ozark, Missouri, and is powered by a 4.2-liter inline 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. The odometer shows 230,000 miles, but the frame is reported to be in great shape. The Jeep includes several upgrades, such as Tom Woods drive shafts and a transfer case slip yoke eliminator, along with new hubs, seals, brakes, and rotors. The engine currently installed comes from a Jeep CJ model, and the original engine plus extra drivetrain parts are included. This makes it a solid project platform for Jeep enthusiasts. Number 4. 1974 Plymouth Valiant, $6,000, San Diego, California. This 1974 Plymouth Valiant is offered for $6,000 in San Diego, California, and is powered by the dependable 225 cubic inch slant 6 engine with an automatic transmission. The car shows 118,000 miles and is finished in blue. The seller reports that the car runs and drives great, with current registration and a clean title. Known for durability and simplicity, the Valiant is one of Chrysler's most reliable compact classics and can make an easy-to-maintain vintage daily driver. Number 5. 1977 Ford Ranger F350 Dually, $4,499, Sylmar, California. This 1977 Ford Ranger F350 dual rear-wheel truck is listed for $4,499 in Sylmar, California. It is powered by a 460 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck shows 99,000 miles and features a flat stake bed. The seller reports that it runs and drives well, and recent work includes a new alternator and battery. With its heavy-duty design and clean title, this classic Ford truck could serve as a functional vintage work vehicle. Number 6. 1971 Volkswagen Beetle, $8,700, Santan Valley, Arizona. This 1971 Volkswagen Beetle is listed for $8,700 in Santan Valley, Arizona. It is the standard Beetle model, powered by a 4-cylinder air-cooled engine paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The odometer reads 30,000 miles, but has rolled over. Classic Beetles are known for their simple engineering, easy maintenance, and strong enthusiast community. This yellow example represents a fun and iconic classic that offers a very basic and nostalgic driving experience. Number 7. 1970 International Harvester, Travelall, $7,500, Petaluma, California. This 1970 International Harvester Travelall project vehicle is offered for $7,500 in Petaluma, California. It is equipped with a 345 cubic inch V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column. The odometer shows 68,729 miles, but has rolled over. The vehicle currently does not run and must be transported by trailer. Travelalls are early truck-based sport utility vehicles, and restored examples are increasingly rare and unique. Number 8. 1965 Dodge Dart GT Coupe, $8,000, Reseda, California. This 1965 Dodge Dart GT two-door coupe is listed for $8,000 in Reseda, California. It is powered by the original V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and shows 65,000 miles. The car retains original paint, interior, and engine, making it a rare survivor. It has been sitting for about 2 years and will likely need a tune-up before regular driving. The Dart GT is a classic compact Mopar with strong muscle car heritage. Number 9. 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe Sedan, $7,500, Union City, California. This 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe 4-door sedan is offered for $7,500 in Union City, California. It is powered by the original 216 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The car appears solid with very little rust and only surface corrosion. The engine turns freely but has not been started yet. With more than 40 years of ownership and many original components, this Chevrolet is a promising barn find restoration candidate. Number 10. 1938 Pontiac Silver Streak, $12,500, Las Cruces, New Mexico. This 1938 Pontiac Silver Streak sedan is listed for $12,500 in Las Cruces, New Mexico. It is powered by the original flathead 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column. The odometer shows 62,643 miles, and the car runs and drives well according to the seller. Equipped with classic white wall tires and a clean New Mexico title, this pre-war Pontiac represents a charming example of late 1930s American automotive design.